All right, so we just got this brand new 48 port switch from Alta Labs, and you might be thinking to yourself, isn't that a little overkill? And you'd be absolutely right. Am I still gonna use it? Yeah. So this switch comes with 16 2.5 gig ports, 32 1 gig ports, and 4 SFP plus ports. And I just noticed while I was recording this, you can actually see my breath, and yeah, it's actually quite cold in this garage right now. And all 48 ports on this switch are PoE with a budget of 740 watts. But let's get this box open and mount it in the rack. Oh yeah, it's a pretty beefy switch. All right, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed here. And there we go. This thing right here is a lifesaver. It makes it really easy to mount stuff. Plug in the fiber. Now it's just gonna slowly boot up. All right, we do have some link lights here, so I should be able to adopt this now. .alta.inc, go to network. That new switch is showing up, so we can hit setup. I'm gonna call this garage switch 48 port. And it does look like it has a pending update here, so we're gonna do that. All right, that switch is done updating, and I am actually gonna configure my first port on here. Port 1, I'm going to assign it to native VLAN 66, and then save. And this is gonna be the first thing I'm gonna plug in. I'm gonna plug in my Raspberry Pi. I'm gonna unplug this other one, plug in our new cable. All right, we got some activity lights, so that Raspberry Pi is on. Plan is to put 3 more Pis here, and maybe 4 more down here. But yeah, the rack is, it's getting pretty full here. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoy this type of home labbing stuff, subscribe down below.